In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust your logo on Squarespace, ensuring your brand gets the shine it truly deserves. Whether you're just setting up your site or giving it a quick refresh, this guide will walk you through each step with ease and clarity. First things first, let's make our way to Squarespace. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Squarespace URL. Once you've arrived at their homepage, you'll notice a login button, typically found at the top right corner. This is your gateway into your Squarespace dashboard, so go ahead and click on that. Now, Squarespace offers a few ways to log in, but for simplicity and speed, we'll focus on using the Continue with Google option today. This is especially handy if you've already associated your Google account with Squarespace, making for a seamless sign-in process. Once you click on Continue with Google, a list of your Google accounts will pop up. Select the account you've used to sign up or log in to Squarespace. Next, you're in, but before we dive into logo adjustments, you'll need to select the website you're working on. If you have multiple sites under your account, make sure to click on the specific website you wish to edit. Alright, it's time to get into the nitty-gritty. On your site's dashboard, look for the Edit option. This option allows you to modify various elements of your site, including the logo. If you're struggling to find it, remember, it's usually visible once you hover over or click on your site's preview. Some versions of Squarespace may require you to first click on Design and then Logo and Title to reach your destination. Now here's where the magic happens. After navigating to the Edit section, it's time to locate and select Edit Site Header. This is your control room for anything related to your website's header, including the logo. With the site header open, click on your existing logo. If you haven't uploaded a logo yet, don't worry, this process also works for first-time uploads. Just look for the icon or placeholder, typically saying logo, to find your way. Okay, got your logo in sight? Great, you'll see an edit icon nearby. It may look like a little pencil or similar. This is your cue to click and dive into the editing options for your logo. Here's where your creative direction comes into play. After clicking the edit icon, you'll be presented with sliders or input boxes for adjusting the width and height of your logo. Take your time here. Adjusting the dimensions changes how your logo appears on your site, so feel free to experiment with what looks best. Remember, your logo is often the first impression visitors have of your brand, so making it visually appealing and appropriately sized is key. Once you're satisfied with how your logo looks, it's crucial not to forget the last and arguably most essential step: saving your changes. Look for a Save button, which is usually located at the top or bottom of the editing pane. Clicking this will apply all your changes, ensuring your site visitors see your beautifully adjusted logo right away. And there you have it. Adjusting your logo on Squarespace can truly make a difference in how professional and polished your website looks. By following these simple steps, you've not only enhanced your brand's online presence, but also taken another step towards creating a memorable experience for your visitors. Remember, the key to a great website isn't just about looking good. It's also about ensuring functionality and ease of use for your visitors. So, take this opportunity to explore other customizable options on Squarespace that can further refine your website's appearance and performance. That wraps up our tutorial for today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most of your Squarespace site. Until next time, happy designing.